Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Verify apps on iPhone. To start this tutorial, open your Settings application in your mobile device, this one over here. Once you will be on Settings, this time click on your profile, the one with your name. This will allow you to see your Apple ID. Once you are here, click on iCloud. Now sign into your iCloud. Once done, click on your iCloud this time and scroll down. In here, click on iCloud Backup. This time over here, you will need to turn on Backup this iPhone and tap to Backup Now. And then, once we go back, we will now scroll down. Once we scroll down, we click on General this time, the one with the gear icon. Over at General, you will now scroll down. Once you scroll down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on it. Once you're done tapping Transfer or Reset iPhone, this will now prompt you to open to this window. In here, you will tap on Erase All Content and Settings. And then click on Reset. And that should be it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.